Hey guys, welcome back. So today we got 2013 Hyundai Santa Fe. It's a 2-liter turbo. First time it came here that he was complaining about a turbo noise, because that's what the mechanic said on his end, right? It's coming from the turbo, and then the other mechanic here in our shop said it's from the idler pulley. So now it's came back the second time just to double check that if it's coming really from the turbo or from the other part of the engine. So now we're gonna go drive. I think I drove it quick and I heard the noise. It's like a leak on our turbo system. So I'm just gonna go drive around here in the building and I'll just let you hear, guys, the noise. So I'm just gonna go drive around and see. So let's go uphill because I think this turbo will kick in on that time. Let me off the AC. See? So if you hear that noise, like that's like a whistle. So it's either we got a problem with the turbo, or what I found on this Santa Fe's or any turbo and Hyundai's, the intercooler separate from the component, right? So we're gonna do a visual inspection and let's see if we can see something obvious. If not, we're gonna do a smoke test. Let's see and smoke the turbo system side if everything is sealed up. But let me just park this vehicle properly and then I can do a visual inspection. I'm thinking there's something wrong in the intercooler side. Okay, so we're under the hood. Let's just double check our routings of our the turbo side, especially the intake side, right? So at the back, that's where our going to the turbo, right? Compressor side sucks in here, going to our intercooler, right? So far our hoses, clamps are there, right? This one is here. So now we're gonna go. Oh, look at that. Look at what we found. Where is the guy? There you go. You see that there's space? There's space in the intercooler. That's our problem. So I guess I don't have to do any smoke test, because for sure that's leaking, as you can see there, right? Let's go in the front of the vehicle. Maybe we can see if it shifted the whole intercooler. So here's in the front, we can't really see anything because thing is there's a shroud to direct the flow of the air, so we don't see anything there. In here too, but 100%, I'm 100% on this guy that our problem is that, right? So now, just to prove, because we know that's the problem, let's smoke this system if we can, seal it and see if the smoke is coming out from there. So what we're gonna be doing is, let me just remove this engine cover. We're gonna separate this guy here and then we're gonna seal that, put our smoke test, I guess, in here, and then it's gonna go through the whole system. Okay, let me remove this guy. I'm using a flat screwdriver. I'm just gonna show you. I know it's an overkill already, but I'm just gonna show you that it's really leaking from there, right? So I'm just gonna remove this mounting bolt here. Okay, now I'm just gonna grab an adapter. Okay, and we're gonna put our smoke tester there. Okay, I have my smoke tester right now. So let's see if it's starting to on. Okay, there's smoke there. I'm gonna just put this guy here, put it in. Because technically, it should flow the smoke all the way to our intercooler. So let's go back there. Now we see the hole there, right? Let's just wait until it fill up all the, what do you call that? The smoke in the system. Okay. So I don't know if it will pick up on the camera. Yeah, I think it's picking up the camera. You can see the smoke there. Let me zoom in more. And it's coming out from there, right? Okay, so we proved that so even though we saw that visually that the intercooler separated, right? We just double check that if the smoke is really coming out from there. I know it's an overkill, so let's see, because this customer is just here for second opinion if it's really from the turbo, right? So let me just type in this. So that's it, guys. I don't know if this guy is gonna come back here to do the repairs for the intercooler, because he said he has his own mechanic, so maybe he's gonna go there. So we know that it's leaking from there, right, from the intercooler, and with the visual inspection we saw it that it's separated, because some of this problem, it's either you're gonna get a check engine light for under boost, right, or through visual inspection you will not really see it. Usually it will separate on the front side where the shroud is when I showed you guys, and the best way is to I was on the intercooler, so sometimes it's so hard to see it, so the best way is to smoke test and see where the smoke coming out. So we'll see if it comes back. I'm gonna do a separate video on replacement. If not, this is the end, because I don't know if this guy will come back here. I hope you enjoyed that video, and don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time. Thank you for watching.